Just like humans, dental care is vitally important for our furry friends. If your pet has putrid breath, it could well be a sign of tooth decay. So vet Megan Alderson joins us now with tips on how to look after Ruby's teeth and your boys and girls' teeth.
Absolutely. So as a vet, we just see dental disease in every day.
Yeah.
Absolutely horrible teeth, and I think there's a number of reasons for it. Basically, people don't consider teeth to be a problem in animals, so pain is not an issue, which of course it is, because we've got the same kind of neurological system as us. I think there's a lot of small breed dogs now, so we're seeing, as urbanites, lots of small breed dogs, and we really struggle with their dental care.
Why are they different?
Well, I think just because they've got overbites and underbites, and they occlude differently, and they don't chew bones, like some of these guys, like Ruby, particularly poodle breeds, just can't eat bones.
Ruby has had a hairdo.
Yes, well, Ruby's always had a great hairdo, haven't you, Rubes?
Very cute. But, I mean, just given the fact that they don't brush their teeth like we do twice a day, it's almost a guarantee given that it's going to happen at some point, is it?
Yep, because the bacteria multiply, turn into tartar and plaque.
Okay, so this is Ruby pre the clean.
And she's only a couple of years old.
And you can feel that yellow,
it's tartar.
All up in there.
And causing gum disease or gingivitis.
Yep.
So you can see that redness.
Would she have had pain from that?
Just mild at this stage.
Right.
But if we'd left it another year, she would actually be starting to lose those teeth.
Oh, okay. They
would
out?
Go, yep.
But
well, they don't fall out, we pull them out.
Megan's done the magic.
Yes, magic.
That's amazing, isn't it? And then how long will she get out of that? How long?
Well, basically, this is what we were on about. Like, most owners have got a fear of the anaesthetic as well as the cost of the dental procedure, which is fair enough.
Yeah.
So what we're trying to do is actually develop a system of actually getting these guys' teeth cleaned. And as you said, like with the TD and some of the dental diets, they work very well in cats. But I think with small breed dogs, we do need to actually be brushing their teeth too. So we've got a technique today that we would like to show everyone.
So just recapping with that, sometimes food can literally act like a toothbrush.
Yeah, so we've got special food that actually works very well, and we've got dental treats, but they have to be given probably every day or every second day to actually work effectively.
Right.
And nothing beats brushing.
So are you suggesting that we brush our dog's teeth ourselves?
Definitely these little breed dogs. Okay, so
they need to do it.
Yes, absolutely. Ruby's been in training because Shelley, her owner, does not want Ruby to go under an anaesthetic again, which is fair enough.
Can you give us a demo?
So demo is we start with Ritalin routine, and zero breath. Because something about dogs is they don't like to feel nervous, okay? So we light the candle.
No! Are you serious?
Absolutely. It needs to be at the time of day where you're relaxed. So we get the Sky Remote and we put the toothpaste onto the Sky Remote and tie it on, okay? So Sky Remote is somewhere you're going to sit down at the end of the day, think, yes, I'm going to do something pleasant with my animal. So toothpaste for the first 2 weeks just goes onto the finger and Ruby just licks it off.
Okay, is it like meat flavoured or something?
Well, this one's poultry. Okay, you do need to use an animal one because they don't like the minty taste of our one. So poultry flavoured toothpaste.
Okay.
And then after a period of a couple of weeks, and she's actually enjoying the Ritalin routine.
And do they like it, generally speaking?
Absolutely, absolutely, because it's just nice time with your dog, and I think that's the key to it. So after
Still confused about the Sky Remote.
Well, it's all about the time of day.
Okay.
So next one, basically up into her tooth, we basically start off with a soft cloth and actually start round here and right down to the back of that tooth.
Okay, so righto.
Yep.
And is that going to, if the teeth were looking like they originally did, that Ruby had, that's not going to work,
You've got to get them clean first.
Yeah, okay.
And move on to the toothbrush. And then we move on to the electric toothbrush after this. And Ruby's actually up to the toothbrush stage.
Is it a human?
Yeah, it's a human toothbrush. So it's a little baby one, it's nice and soft.
Yeah.
You've got good control, like basically just starting up, round that top of that gum line and actually doing soft circular motions. And Ruby's very tolerant, as you can see, because she's been in training for a couple of weeks.
Okay.
We're getting up to this beside her stage, where we're actually just having the soft buzz going on while we're actually cleaning her teeth before we can actually put it on.
Process.
Now, if we went to this first, it would never happen.
No.
So this is the thing is about toothbrushing, and it's the only way to keep her out of the dental chair, is that, it just has to be done every day, every 24 to 48 hours, or else those bugs turn into plaque, which turn into tartar, which turn into periodontal disease.
Okay.
So, yeah,
it's an
hard
absolute
work,
must.
but all doable, and we love our pets. So.
Wow. Would you suggest the same thing in cats in terms of clean? No.
No,
they're just not going to probably let you do it,
The nice thing about cats is if they have got dental problems, and they're a bit like people, some of them do and some of them don't, the TD and the oral dental care products work very, very well.
Brilliant.
I think with dogs having different sized mouths, it's harder, and you do need to actually look at teeth brushing to be effective.
Thank you, Miss Ruby, for coming in.
Yes,
You're very, very good.
good.
What a superstar with beautiful teeth. Indeed.
Yes, nice and shiny, and we're going to keep them that way.
Gorgeous. Match the do. After the break, Asta and her home remedies, and time to flex those muscles. It's a World Continence Week, so we're getting the lowdown on how to strengthen our pelvic floors next.